Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Netflix watch history on your PC. So this is super useful if you want to remove something embarrassing or keep your recommendations clean or just tidy up your profile. Now first, you can just open your browser and go to the netflix.com and you can just log into your account. And make sure you select the profile you want to clear history from because each profile has its own watch history. So let's say I'm going to delete this one. And then you can just go to your account setting, click on your profile corner icon in the top right corner, and in here select account. This will open all your Netflix setting here. You can just go down to the manage profiles options and select the profiles again and scroll down until you see the viewing activity. So this is where Netflix stores everything you've watched. To delete a show or movie, you can simply click on the circle with a line icon next to the title. This one, it will be hidden just like this. So once you click it, Netflix will remove that item from your watch history. But if you want to delete everything, you can scroll all the way down and click on hide all. And here click on yes, and after that Netflix will remove your entire viewing history from that profile. So this will be perfect if you want a completely fresh start. So that's it. That's how you can delete your Netflix watch history on a PC. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.